In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image carousel in Google Sites. If you want to make your site more visual and interactive, an image carousel is a great option. It lets visitors scroll through multiple images in one compact section, which is especially useful for showcasing photos, products, events, or highlights without taking up too much space on the page. To get started, open Google Sites and go to the site you want to edit. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can add and change content on the page. Once you're on the correct page, take a moment to look at the right-hand insert panel because that's where you'll find the tools you need for this setup. Next, click on Image Carousel. This will open the image carousel element so you can begin building it. The carousel feature is designed to hold multiple images in a slider format, making it easy for visitors to move through them one at a time. After that, click the plus icon. This is the button that allows you to start adding images into the carousel. When you click it, Google Sites will give you options for bringing in your images. Choose Upload Image and then select an image from your computer. Pick the file you want to use and wait for it to upload into the carousel. If you're preparing images ahead of time, it helps to use clear, well-sized visuals so the carousel looks clean and professional once it's published. Then repeat the same process again to add more images. Click the plus icon, upload another image from your computer, and continue until you've added all the images you want in the carousel. This part is simple, but it's worth being intentional about the order of your images, since they'll usually appear in the sequence you add them. If you're telling a visual story or presenting a gallery, that order can make a big difference. Once all your images are added, click Insert. This places the completed image carousel onto your Google Sites page. From there, you can position it within your layout just like other content blocks and make sure it fits nicely with the rest of your page design. And that's it. You've successfully added an image carousel in Google Sites. After inserting it, it's always a good idea to preview your page to see how the carousel looks and functions for visitors. When everything looks right, you'll be ready to publish your updated site.